CryptoAnup alts. Let's go everyone. In this video, I will be sharing with you 4 to 5 altcoins, AI coins, which I personally think could be a great buy in this year of 2024. These altcoins could make you millions. So please do not skip this video. Watch this video till the end and destroy that like button right now, not at the end. So by looking at this top AI altcoin, which I posted it 7 months ago, I posted this video 7 months ago. I call this 6 AI altcoins which has huge potential in 2023. If you compare the price of them right now from the time when we did the video, you can see your jaws are going to drop because render was around $2 when we covered this video. You can see Singularity was around 30 cents when we did this video. Fetch was around 25 cents when we did this video. Ocean Protocol was around 34 cents when we did this video. Even Injective was around $6 when we did this video. And if you look at the price of them right now, for example, Injective, you can see it went up to $45 from $6, $45. If you compare these other altcoins, other AI coins, they are doing extremely well. So if you followed me back then, if you bought these AI coins after this video, then congratulations to you. And to those individuals who skipped the video, I'm sorry for you guys, but do not worry, because today I will be mentioning other coins, right? Other altcoins with huge potential. So let's jump into the first coin. The first coin is Ethereum. Now, looking at this Ethereum price action, we can see in a weekly time frame, we have already broken the key line of resistance from this ascending triangle. Ascending triangle is a bullish continuation pattern, and in our case, if this here is going to be a continuation pattern, then our price already sits around $2,900, $3,000. This is where we are expecting the price of Ethereum to get attracted, not just only because it's the price opportunity from this ascending triangle, but also because of this upcoming event, spot Ethereum ETF approval event, because we are already in the next deadline from BlackRock, 25th of January 2024, which is this month. The final deadline, the SEC final deadline, is around May month, but I want you guys to be prepared until then. Just like with price action of Bitcoin, until the ETF approval date, we might see volatile move here in price action of Ethereum, but it might be favoring the longs. Yes, guys, people might be speculating, but due to the speculation, due to the increased volatility, we could see the price of Ethereum at least around $2,900 to $3,000 before choosing a trend duration. I personally think once the price of Ethereum breaks out of this 3,000, then the next price objective is the previous high, which will be of a $4,000 range. Yes, guys, if we look at the price action of Ethereum here in a monthly time frame in a very simple way, you can see whenever the price of Ethereum after this massive checkout has formed a structure like this, also known as double bottom, you can see what has happened when we broke out of the neckline. When the price of Ethereum managed to break out of the neckline, the price turned parabolic. We are expecting a similar move also to happen in our case, because we have already broken the neckline. This neckline sits above $2,000. So in a bigger picture, as long as the price of Ethereum manages to remain above this neckline above $2,000, I expect this trend to continue like this. Price of Ethereum heading towards the price objective $2,900, $3,000 and even higher. The reason is very simple. This is not just only a double bottom. We can also look this as a 1, 2, 3 continuation pattern, guys. ABC reversal bottom type of formation is also being flashed, so it is a bullish continuation. The price of Ethereum just have to break this 3,000 resistance line, because if we look at this in a very simple way, I mean, if we look at this falling wedge, this falling wedge upper trend line has already been broken, right? This is a bullish continuation pattern. So even if the price of Ethereum fails to get attracted towards the price objective from this falling wedge, which is over 4,000, we have said we are more than happy to see price of Ethereum simply testing the key line first, which is around $3,000. Yes, guys, this $3,000 is also the price objective from this ascending triangle. And looking at this as a ABC reversal pattern, 1 to 3 reversal pattern, $3,000 could be actually tested. And also the volatility, the upcoming volatility due to this ETF approval, spot Ethereum ETF approval might be favoring the long. So that's why I personally think the price of Ethereum could be getting attracted like this, right? Finding proper support could result in another massive move towards the previous high. Now, let's jump into our next coin, which is ICP, Internet Computer with market cap around $6 billion. Now, what I want you to do is to simply add this ascending channel and look at this price action like this. I mean, this ascending channel here is acting as a line of support and also as a line of resistance. Support, 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 the lower trend line, upper trend line acting as a resistance. So what I want you guys to do is to simply monitor the lower trend line support. If the price of ICP fails, right, fails to hold this trend line around $12, then I am actually expecting another corrective move and also a huge buying opportunity around $8 to $10. But in the medium short term, if it does manage to remain above this ascending channel and even flips the upper trend line resistance into support, then guys, we are expecting a move like this, just like as shown in an example. You can see breaking the upper trend line, resulting in another continuation here to the upside. So for ICP, for long term, this will be my number 2nd pick. Third one is this TIA. Let me show you properly one more time. I mean, if you look at the price action of TIA, this coin has a total market cap of $3 billion, right? This is another popular coin at the market. Now, let me add this rising trend line to show you that this rising trend line right now is looked as one of the most important support for TIA. I mean, each and every time whenever the price tested around this trend line, what happened after that? This test resulted in some very, very bullish move here in price action of Celestia or TIA. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here, even if we are going to see some weakness, even if the price of TIA shows another corrective move like this, back around this key line, $14, $15 range, for the long term, right, this might be a buying opportunity. I mean, each and every time whenever it tested the support from this rising trend line, what happened after that? It resulted in a very massive move. So even if the price of TIA is going to see another corrective move, it might be another buying opportunity. And I want you guys to not to look for the short term, look for the long term, because long term coins like this could make you a lot of money. So please do not get left out. Even if we are going to see some shakeout, right, I want you guys to be aware that this rising trend line here will be acting as a line of support. Even the previous area like this horizontal trend line, which acted as a line of resistance, acted as a support during this retest. You can see resistance, this exact trend line acted as a support before breaking it to the upside. So any sort of a retracement, this line around $13, $14 along with this rising trend line will be looked as a very important line of support for TIA. And if this continuation is going to continue from this low till this high, we can see the price of TIA went up to 1.618 before showing some weakness. Now what we are going to do, we are going to take another Fibonacci extension line from this low till this high. If we look at the continuation pattern, then you can see, guys, the price of TIA is finding rejection exactly after reaching the 100% extension level. So around this $19, it is going to be looked as a line of resistance. But once the price of TIA flips that into proper support after some range bound like this, where is our price objective? Our price objective is going to be again above 1.618, which could bring us in between $27, $26 for the coming months. Yes, guys, this will be looked as our upcoming target. So that's why, guys, if you have doubt, I suggest you to zoom out, because in a bigger picture, you can see the price of Celestia might have just started this impulsive move. Now, moving on to our third coin, it is going to be Injective. Injective, I called this move when the price of Injective was around $6. You can see we were around this consolidation phase before starting with this bullish move. So the price of Injective since then has already shown some very bullish moves. So for now, what I want you guys to do is to look at two things. First is this bull flag formation or descending channel here in price action of INJ Injective. I mean, this here could be a bullish continuation pattern. If we look at this example on the right hand side, you can see this might be looked as a bullish continuation pattern if we can flip the upper terminal resistance into proper support, which is going to be above $40. Yes, if the price of Injective is going to find proper support above $40, then it is going to be looked as another bullish continuation. But if this fails, I mean, if the price of Injective fails to show this bullish move, right, and start showing another corrective move, what in that case? If that happens, if the price of Injective starts showing weakness, then in that case, I want you to look at this as a symmetrical triangle. If this here is not going to play out first, if the symmetrical triangle breakout is going to play out first, then I want you to look at this example, because for now, if the price of Injective fails to continue this uptrend, starts showing another corrective move, the symmetrical triangle favoring the shorts, then it might be short-lived, just like in this example, price liquidating the over average longs before starting with this new impulsive move. So even if we are going to see some shakeout, it could be short-lived. The price of ING finding support around this lower trend line, right, are coming back to test the previous key line, right, which could be around $30. That will be a great buying opportunity in my opinion. And then for the long term, this could be another continuation here to the upside. And according to this bull flag, you can see the price of Injective has a very high probability even coming above $60. Now, last but not the least, for this year, I also want to look at XRP as a good buy. I mean, with all the drama going back and forth with SEC, if you simply look at this price action, the price of XRP could be also a great buy for the long term. So I personally think, just like here from the past price action, you can see years and years of consolidation before we had this massive parabolic move. This is something what I'm also expecting here in price action of XRP. Once the case gets settled with the SEC, I think the price of XRP is going to go completely parabolic. And even if we look at this ideal buy for investor from Stan Weinstein, you can see the price of XRP has already broken out of this long-term consolidation phase, broken out from this horizontal trend line, which acted as a line of support here. You can see this horizontal trend line acted as a line of support, and we are fighting to break out of this 30-week moving average. But once we do that properly, just like with Bitcoin, after double test started with a new parabolic move, this is also what I'm expecting to happen here in price action of XRP. So if you are going to buy XRP, don't think for the short term, but buy it for the long term, because for the long term, I personally think this coin could easily come across this $1.30 and even up to the previous high of $2. Yes, guys, these are some of the bullish scenario what I see for XRP. And even if the price of XRP fails to break out of this 30-week moving average, consolidates around this area, even shows some weakness like this, please look at the bigger picture. The risk to reward ratio in XRP is huge. That means even if the price shows some weakness, I think for the long term, if you can accumulate XRP around this price range of 40 to 50 cents, I think this is going to be a great buy, because for the bigger picture, you can see the price of XRP looks extremely bullish. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you regarding some of the best altcoins, which I personally think there are more. I'm going to do more videos, so please do not get confused. These are the peak for now. And that's why, guys, if you like this kind of short update, if you like this kind of update, then please do me a favor by destroying the like button, and do not forget to claim your bonuses. Bybit is giving a 30,000 free bonus, and additional to that, we also have a new competition. 2.2 million USDT prize pool competition if you sign up using this link. So please check the video description. The links are provided there, and see you next time. on CryptoAnup. Bye bye.